Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will show you how to install Oracle SQL Developer and Oracle21c in Windows 11. So this is a window of the Oracle SQL Developer for local development. Okay, and if you want to install from the scratch in Windows, please follow this video till the end. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to first install the Oracle 21c download. So once you type in Google, it will open up this kind of links, and you should follow the first link. If I click on the first link, so it will take me to the official Oracle website. Okay, so if you are from any countries, just follow the same. And next you have to download the latest Oracle database. So right now at the time of recording it is 21c. Okay, so I will click on this file, download, and accept. Here you will be asked to create the account. So if you don't have the account, please create the account and download this Windows file. This would be pretty much high. It's approximately 2.5 GB. I have already downloaded it, so I will not download it again. Okay, it will take time based on your internet speed. So hope you, once you download it, you need to unzip this file. Okay, the same thing you have to download for Oracle SQL Developer. So it is just like how your database UI would look like. Okay, so it's just a UI tool to access the Oracle database. So once you Google it Oracle SQL Developer download, so you will be redirected to the first page, SQL Developer download. Once you click on this SQL Developer download, so I am opening in a different tab, so it would be accessible for you. So you will be redirected to this page. So at the time of recording, it is 24.3 version. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to download the Windows 64-bit with JDK included. Okay, just hit the click, and if it is asked you to create the account, then just create the account and download it. I have already downloaded, so I will not download it again. It will ideally take a time based on your internet speed. So now hope you have downloaded both Oracle SQL and SQL Developer file. So I will open up my location where I have downloaded. So this is my download file number 1, and this is my download file number 2. Okay, now you have to unzip it. It will take approximately 5 minutes, 2 to 5 minutes based on your RAM and system configuration. So once you unzip this would be a two folder called Windows and SQL Developer. Okay, these are the two folders. Now what you need to do, first of all, you need to go to the first folder, SQL Developer, and copy this SQL, yeah, SQL Developer. This would be the file. Once you download it, copy this SQL Developer and go to your local system, C drive, program file, and paste it. Control V. So you need to copy it here. I have already copied this folder here. Yeah. So one task is over. Now second task is you have to also copy this Oracle21c which you have downloaded. Its size is approximately 2.47 GB. Yeah. This is zip and this is unzip. So unzip file would be 4.71 GB. Copy this one and paste in your local C drive. Okay, I have already pasted over here, so I will not again paste it. Now next thing will start. So in this case, you have to find out the setup file. So here you can see red setup file is there. Okay, so you have to click on the red setup file. Okay, so I have already installed it. So what I will do, I will install from my download section. Okay, so I will install it. So it will ask me to give the administrative privilege. I will say okay, and it will open up this Oracle database 21c installer. So it is based on the Java, so it will take a little bit time. So have a patience. So it will show me the first configuration. So I will create to the first one and go on. Then second I will create the desktop class, hit next. Then next thing will be very important. Here in this case, you can use your virtual account existing Windows user, or Windows inbuilt account, but I will go with a new one, Oracle. Oracles. You can use any username. Password, I will use a password which is easy to remember. Okay. Then I will hit a next. Then I will go ahead. It will take a couple of seconds to go. So now it will ask me to save the Oracle base. Okay. So ideally, what I do, I will keep everything in a C file, a C drive. Okay. So here I can write oracles. Okay. So accordingly, you can see here. Now here your global database name will be ORCL. Password Odoo. I will also I'm putting up my password. Okay. And here it would be my plugin database name. Now this catch will happen here. If you have installed Docker, then if you hit next, it will not allow you. Here it is showing that database instance with specified identifier already exists. That means this username is already there with me. So I will give the another username and pluggable database. I will give the another name. So now it is showing me this pop-up. I will say yes. But in your case, if you have installed Docker, then it will show you one error. Its name is uh, its name would be this error unable to check whether location specified is on CFS. This is because of the Docker. Okay, so if you want to solve this error, what you need to do, you need to go to your Windows folder in C drive, Windows System 32 drivers, etc and host. So how you will go, I will show you. So in this case, I will go to my C drive, Windows System 32. Okay, then drivers here. Where is the drivers? Okay, so I will go to driver, etc and host. This file you have to open up with Notepad plus plus. You can also use anything, but I recommend you for Notepad. Now here you can see this first file, second line and this third line. You have to comment it and save it. So your problem will be solved. So keep in mind this, you have to save it and then you need to exit it and try it again. Then it will work it out. Okay. Hope you have done it. Then now next thing is okay. This you have to write it down on a global database. Even if you give ORCL, that would be fine. I recommend you to follow the same ORCL. Okay, and here Oracle, whatever you wants to keep, then hit next. So here it is asking me to change, so that I have already installed it, so I will give the another name for both. Yeah, so it will accept the inputs. Now I will say yes. Now this is the catch. Since this is done, now I will go ahead with install. This installation will take approximately half an hour. Since my laptop is having 32 GB RAM and SSD hard disk, so it has taken approximately 25 minutes. If your system configuration is, say for example, 8 GB or 16 GB, then please anticipate that it may take up to 30 to 45 minutes. Okay, so don't get panic, and it will only ask you to do next install. That's all. Once you put up install, and then good to go, there will be no issue. Okay, so I'm closing this thing since I already installed it. Yeah, now next thing is you have to open up your SQL Developer folder which you have already copied in Windows. So I will go to the SQL Developer. So here you can see where is my SQL developer. So here SQL developer. Yes. So I will go to C drive, program file, and yeah, it is in program file, not this program file as 64. So I will go to SQL developer. Now this is a very good things. Here some people will find some kind of password error. So you have to click on this SQL developer. Yeah, so it will show me this kind of screen, and here you have to click on this plus button. So it will ask you to connect your installed database Oracle21c. Okay, so here I will say some demo name, say test db. Then default I will take it, and username I will take Oracle. You have to put it what you have used while your installation. I will also keep the password, and here you have to select SYSDBA. Yeah, and next thing is host name, port, and SID. Now the question arises like some people would have this SID as a different. By default, port would be 1521, but here some people would have a different SIDs. Yeah. So remember, I have told ORCL. I will write L in the last, so I will use ORCL, and I will hit next. I will first test the connection. See, it is asking me that invalid username and password. Okay, so username I will use sys. Password, here the catch will arrive. If you find this kind of issues, okay, what you need to do, you don't need to worry anything. Go to the in command line cmd. Okay, here what you need to do, you have to write this SQL plus space comma as a system DBA. I will give this file to you, so it will be easy for you. So I will put up this file SQL plus space backslash as a system DBA. So it will connect you to the SQL database. Now what you need to do, you need to query the users from DBA. So here, say for example, I'm copying this text query and putting it here. Select username from DBA users. So here you will see the different usernames. Okay. So what I'm doing, I will use sys, first one, sys username. Okay. So I will use a sys. Then, and if you want to change the password, then what you can do, you can use this command alter user sys identified by. Here you can give your new password and hit next. Okay, so now coming back to the Oracle SQL developer, here I am using username sys, password what password you have given here. Okay, and I will save it. Now in order to find this SIDs, if by default it is not there, you have to remember it. Okay, and if by chance you don't remember it, I will first test it. Yeah, so now it is done. By chance, if you don't remember this port and ORCL ID, what you can do, you can go to the Windows, this C drive. Okay, here you have created one folder called Oracle. Yeah, Oracle. And in this Oracle, you should go to Homes, DB, then Network, Admin. Yeah. So now you have to open up one file, two files. One is listener.org. Second is tssname.org. So I will open up with Notepad. So here, once you open up this file, you can see here your port name. Okay. And here you can see the service name. So service name is nothing but your username. Okay. So this is done. Great. So once you get this both things, you here you need to give SID as a ORCL and port name and give the test connection. Now I will connect it. So here you can see my database has been connected. So just uh, click on the drop down. So here you can see the various things like table, view, index, everything. All right. Now for your simplicity, I will create one column called create table, table name, say employee, and uh, employee ID, say integer, employee name, say varchar, employee salary, say float. Okay, and I'm creating this table. Hit next. So here you can see the table employee got created. In case you want to increase your font, so what you can do, go to preferences, and here you can find font. Okay, and here in font you can change your font size. So it will show good to go. And if you want to change its font and text, uh, you can just try and out. All right. So this table has been created. Now, how we can see the table? So you can click on this table and go down here. Find out the employee. Where is the employee? Yeah. Here you can see the employee table has been created with three columns: employee ID, employee name, and employee salary. Okay. Now, next thing is let us insert some data. Insert into employee. What you want to insert, you have to give the column ID, column name as well, employee name. So it will by default suggest to you employee name. I will put employee ID in a sequential order, employee name, and employee salary. This is case insensitive, so you don't need to worry. Value. Now, what values I want to put up? So first of all, say it is integer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Employee ID, employee name, say it is John. Then its salary is, say for example, 4,000. Okay, and I'll I'll keep into the one arrow, one row. The same thing. I will copy some other data. Okay, here say randomly I'll choose Mike. I will take it say 8,000. Okay, then Pushpa, say 14,000. Say Dinah, say 40,000. Say Pritam, say 86,000. Yeah. Now I will click on select all this and hit enter. So I will check select star from employee. How many records have been put up? So here you can see I will put I'll increase the font size. Here you can see 5 records have been inserted. Yeah. So this is a simple uh, trick which I have shown you how to install Oracle SQL and Oracle21c in your system. In case you have any queries, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching this video.